So you've overfilled the oil level. Now what? Well, do not worry, as it has happened to all of us. Just do not start the engine just yet. I'm Dr. Verstrom, and we will fix this together in this video. This topic is once more covered because of your comments, questions and input on the social media. In case you have put more, do not panic. Do not start the engine. Use a cheap bottle with pump and remove the excess oil. Make sure that when you check the oil level is not on the side or on the center stand, but ask someone to keep the bike upright on a level surface. Then you can properly check the oil level and fill appropriately until the right quantity. And do not forget, check for more videos, subscribe and hit that notification button. Thanks and ride safe.